Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Competitive Chemistry. Today I will give you one notification which is for the staff nurse trainee T&S grade C. So the notification is from the Western Coalfield Limited, a government of India undertaking. So this is the notification number, and so it is a subsidiary company of Coal India Limited, a Maharatna company of government of India. So this is a requirement. So post name is staff nurse trainee T&S grade C. Essential qualification is 10 plus 2 pass. Grade A nursing diploma or certificate 3-year course from a recognized institute approved by government of India. So the vacancy for the unreserved category is 24, EWS is 5, SC category 8, ST category 4, OBC NCL 15, and total vacancy is 56. So the crucial date determining the eligibility or suitability of a candidate for the post shall be the start date of submission of applications 13/5/2021. Now training period, there will be a training. So candidates selected will be included as staff nurse trainee, and after successful completion of 1 year training will be placed in T&S grade C in the initial basic. During the training period they will be entitled for pay and allowances as applicable in T&S grade C. So there is minimum and upper age limit, so you can read it. So I have given this PDF in my description box, you can check it. This is the selection procedure, so you can just read it. So there will be a test. Okay, so the maximum number is 100, and cutoff marks for unreserved category is 50. OBC NCL will be 45 marks and SC ST category will be 40 marks. So result of the test will be published through the official website of WCL. So you have to check regularly the website of WCL. Okay, now successful candidate in order of their marks scored in the written test will be notified for appearance for scrutiny or verification of their testimonials. Okay, now this is the general instruction for a candidate, so you have to go through all the lines carefully before applying your application. So now coming to the here how to apply. So the candidate are advised to go through the complete advertisement carefully for assessing his or her eligibility in accordance with the qualifications and other norms, age, caste, etc. So candidate belong to EWS, SC, ST, OBC, PWD, ex-serviceman should submit self-attested copy of valid certificate issued by the competent authority to that effect along with the application. So OBC candidates are required to submit latest other backward class certificate in the format as applicable for central government post. And the candidate has to submit the scanned original application form along with all requisite documents from the candidate's personal email ID to this email ID. So you have to send your application form filled by you to this email ID. Okay. So this is the documents you have to submit along with application form. So you just read it. So the start date from the submission through email only 13/5/2021. So the application has been started already. The closing date will be 27th May 2021, and the date of downloading admit card or date of test will be notified through the email. So you have to check your email regularly. So this is the application form. You can download it from my description box and thoroughly filled by you and sent to the email ID given above. So the candidate has to submit the scanned original application form along with requisite documents as mentioned in the notification from the candidate's personal email ID to this email ID. Okay, so I have given all the link, all the PDF in my description box, so you can check it. Okay, thank you for watching.